Total expenses of boarding house are partly fixed. Partly means some part of that is fixed and partly varying. Linearly is that it is a linear equation. It is not quadratic or cubic equation. With the number of boarders, so it is linear equation with the number of boarders. The average expense per boarder is 700 when 25 people are there. So when the number of people are 25, the average expense comes out to be 700 rupees. So the total expenses or total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. The variable cost, it is given that partly varying linearly with the number of boarder means variable cost is n into some price. I can take nx. It is a linear equation with the number of boarders. So the number of boarders will decide how many people are there. So I'll say total cost will come out to be fixed cost, which is always fixed, whatever is the number of people, plus the number of people who are there. So 25 people when goes, and X is the price that they are paying as a variable cost. FC is the fixed cost. So total price comes out to be 700 into 25. I hope it is clear because every person is going to pay 700. That includes fixed cost as well as variable cost. So my total cost will come out to be 700 into 25 and it includes fixed cost plus 25 people of variable cost. I hope it is clear. Now, when 50 boarders are there, the cost comes out to be 600. So I know total cost will be 600 into 50. That include your fixed cost. That include 50 people variable cost because variable cost is the linear equation. Fine. Now, if you solve this, it will give you 17,500 and this gives you 30,000. Now, if I subtract it, it is 25 times of variable cost is 12,500. So 25 fives are, I'll say variable cost comes out to be 500. What about the fixed cost? If you put fixed cost here, that comes out to be fixed cost is coming out to be 5,000 rupees. How come? 500 into 50 is 25,000. 25,000 plus fixed cost is 30,000. So that comes out to be fixed cost is 5,000. I hope it is clear. What is the average expense per boarder when there are 100 boarders? Now, please understand this. The variable cost, which is coming out to be 500, will remain fixed as a 500. Everyone has to pay fixed 500 rupees. Variable cost 500. Now, fixed cost is coming out to be how much? It is coming out to be 5,000 rupees. This is whatever is the number of people, it will remain fixed. Now, this will be also divided equally among 100 people. I'll say the fixed cost will come out to be rupees 50 per person. So total cost, it will come out to be rupees 550. I hope it is clear.